Hello everyone. Today let's work on this kind of animation designing using CSS. Okay. So I have given the name circle with HTML. Okay. Let's being boilerplate here. I want to name it circle wave animation. Okay. I want to create one div. We have to create div. So let's name it circle. Okay. Inside circle, I want to create. Yes, there are 15 circles, different size. So I want to create 15 tag. I want to create count tag. Okay, it's my own tag. Uh, it will work in HTML. Okay, so this is one. Control Alt and down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I have created this 15 counts for this 15 circles. Now let's work on styling things. I want to create, I don't want to create different CSS file. I want to write all those CSS style in here. First, let's create body tag attribute. Okay, I want margin to 0, padding to 0. Okay, and then I want display flex, so I want everything in the center. So I want this 4 property, justify content to center, align items to center. Okay, and then background color, I want to set to let's do 2 to 2. Okay, and then I want to set minimum height. Okay, to 100 viewport. Okay, let's run this one. Here we have black screen now. Okay, now let's design circle. Using CSS, we have to create circle and make animation like this. Okay, let's set width to 350 pixel, height to 350 pixel. Position, we have to set it to relative so that we can set other circle count to absolute. Okay, and then I want to set color to white. Okay, then let's design another one. The circle, there's another tag count. Okay, so for that count, I want border to 10 pixel, solid, and white. Okay, white. Then I want position to absolute for this one. Okay, and border radius to 50%, so it will be round. Okay, here, so circle count. This is circle count first side, circle first side. This is circle second side. This is circle third side. So we have to configure all. So let's install first child. That circle zero count and style 1. Okay, for this one, let's set property top. Actually, I want to check background color for this, so you will get to know where are we. Okay, background color, let's set anything allies. Okay, okay. Let's set top to 0, left to 0, bottom to 0, and right to 0. Okay, you can see that it's let's set to 10 pixel actually. From left 10 pixels, it's extremely on the side. 10 pixel right to 10 pixel. Now you can see that border white is here, so it is 50% radius, meaning it's circle now, and then it's 10 pixel from top, 10 pixel from left, from right, and from bottom. If you want, you can add box arrow as well. Let's set box arrow for this one. Box arrow, let's set 0, 5 pixel, 10 pixel for blending, and I want blue color. Okay, and I want inset inside. Okay, let's see how does it look like. So that you will get to know what thing does what, right? Okay, next one I have said first one. Let's set second one. I want to set margin 20 for the second circle, for the second child. Okay, this one should be 2. There you go, you can see that. This is not visible, so let's make it something gold. Okay, okay. Let's make it 5 pixel. It's too big. Okay, now we have 2 rings. Similarly, we can create 15 rings using same technology. First, let's make it a little flat. So in order to make a little flat here in this circle, what we can do is transform property, add something in here. We can find perspective. Okay, perspective 500 pixel, and then rotate x by 50 degree. Okay, it's now sitting lying on the floor. Let's set it to 70, so it will look nice when you do the transition up and down. Okay, it's 70 now. Okay, let's remove this background color actually. Comment this one. Okay, we have 2 now. Then I want to create animation for that. Let's create animation. In order to create animation, we have to use keyframes. Then animation name. Let's name it animation. Okay. Inside this curly braces, I want to. Okay, in 0%, I want transform of that circle translate shade by minus 150 px. Okay. Similarly, I want 50%, I want 100%. For 100%, for 50%. For 50%, I want transfer back to positive 150, and then 800 again, negative 150. So what does this do is at 0%, it translates this animation, this count circle to 150 px in z axis. negative z-axis, and then at 50% it goes back down, and then again at 100% it goes back to minus 150. Okay? This is how we create animation. We write animation, and then we can call this animation. Okay. In order to call this animation, we have to go inside this circle count class, and let's call this animation. Animation name, we can call animation name and then animation. Okay. Or we can write everything in one. Animation duration 3 seconds. Animation iteration infinite. Okay. Okay. Now we have to add one more transform style property in this circle here. Okay. Transform style should be preserve. Yeah, preserve 3D. Okay. Preserve 3D. There we go. It's moving now. Okay. It's moving up and down. It's activating this keyframe and infinite time. For all of these things, we can write in single line as well. Animation is equal to animation name, yes, and then infinite, int is in out method. Okay. Okay. And there are a few more properties for animation, so you can just try finding more information on that. You can play around and you can get to know. Okay, now we are pretty much done with these two types. Now let's create more. Okay, if we create all 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now 20. 30. 40. You can hold Alt and then you can select many things at a time. So it will select all in front of 2. Then if you delete it, it will delete 2. And then now you can type in 5. Okay. Seventy pixel all side. 80 pixel. 90. 100. 110. 120. 130. 140. And 150. Now we have to change this child number as well. This is for third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now you can see it's moving. Okay. Then you can play around. Actually, one more thing, you can set the delay time for every child. Okay, let's say I want to set animate delay, animation delay time. Okay, I want to set this one to 1.5 seconds. Okay, I want to go another way. Last, I want to start this in the last of all 15 circles. Okay, here Control V and just 1.4, Control V 1.3, Control V 1.2, Control V 1.1, Control V 1 seconds, Control V 0.9 seconds, 0.8 seconds, 0.7 seconds, 0.6 seconds, 0.5 seconds, 0.4 seconds, 0.3 seconds, 0.2 seconds. Okay, and 0.1 second. Okay, there we go. Now you can see the animation exactly is proceed. I think the color is changed a little bit. Now you can see that. So you can change the time. Let's say if you want to set animation complete within a second. Okay, it's really fast. We want to take 5 seconds. Okay, it's moving slowly in the form of a spiral. Okay, let's set it to original 3 seconds. Okay, and then you can play around. You can in this animation section you can translate these circles in any axis. Let's say if you move it to x-axis, you can see different little bit. At 50%, you want to move the x-axis back. Okay, all x-axis. It's moving x-axis to x-axis in 150 px left and right. Okay, let's set it to y-axis and let's see how does it look like. It's more cool now. Okay, let's set third one. Okay, there you go. So this is what you can try animation in CSS. There are lots of attributes you can use. So if you keep on practicing, you will gain more confidence over the time. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this kind of video in future, please like and subscribe my channel. I will try bringing video information like this in future. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.